Hi there. Today I will talk about what is the top 5 reason I've bought the Android head unit. First of all, it got a much bigger screen than those other head units out there. Where, I don't know, maybe it's JBL, Sony, Kenwood. Most of them are about 8-inch. What I got is actually 10-inch. So at that point of time, I think about 1.5 to 2 years back, there isn't any head unit out there that can actually match the size. So what is so good about a bigger screen? I think most of us will enjoy a bigger screen, especially my 360 degrees camera. It used to be just a 4-inch screen. Just imagine the upgrade from 4 to 10. Now I can actually see it so clearly, and I don't have to squint my eye through that small screen over there to see what's actually happening, surrounding my car. It's especially helpful when I need to park my car in tight spaces and I don't have to really go and see the screen very closely. That is one of the reasons. My second reason is that it's flexible. Yeah, you can actually install any apps that you could think of in an Android Play Store. You can put in games, you can put in Waze, YouTube, you name it. Yeah, but the thing is, not exactly every apps is actually made for this type of devices. There are certain apps out there which is not be able to install into this head unit, but the thing is, the thing that you want most would be YouTube, Waze, Google Maps. All this is proven and can be used in the Android head unit. And of course, you can also change the user interface. You don't have to get stuck in a normal user interface whereby those stock head units, or where, I don't know, Sony, Kenwood, whatever it is. I don't think they will come with a lot of different themes for you. I don't think they'll have a lot of customizations for you to change as well. And the third reason is it's affordable. At that point of time, 1.5 or 2 years back, it's 1,200 ringgit. So I think right now, if you were to buy the same spec, it's going to be about 800 ringgit. And if you go to the top spec, I think it's about that same price as well, about 1,000 ringgit. And entry levels nowadays, entry levels is about 300 ringgit. If you convert it into USD, the entry level can goes down less than 100 USD. If you were to get mine, it's about 400 USD. So there's nowhere that you can find 1,200 ringgit, and with such flexibility, with such a big screen, and it comes with great sounds as well. There's a lot of things that you can actually do to it, the equalizers and DSP and whatnot. Yeah, the fourth will be the local installers. Right now, they are technological savvy enough to know how to install for you, to know how to configure for you. And also, if you have any problem, you can just go into their stores and they will know how to fix it for you. 5 years back, when the Android head unit started to come out, it's very expensive, it's laggy, and it's not responsive. At that point of time, I think a lot of car accessories shops, they don't even know how to do that, to install it. So I think that's one of the reasons why people actually don't sell it. But nowadays, people are getting more literate, and most people would know how to use an Android phone. So to a lot of people, knowing how to use an Android phone, meaning it's actually good enough, for you to learn how to install it, how to configure it. If possible, try and go to the car accessory shops nearby your place and ask them whether they can install an Android head unit for you or not. If they can, then go ahead and buy from Shopee, from Lazada, from Amazon, anywhere you want. Yeah. And the fifth reason is that I can actually add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into it. Yes, you're not hearing it wrongly. You can actually add by putting in an extra dongle or extra adapter. So what I actually did is I bought this Apple CarPlay dongle. It's called CarLink Kit. You can actually look at this, look at it here. Yeah, how I install it and why is it so beneficial. And it has been very good to me, yeah, because once you actually plug into it, you can actually use your Apple CarPlay, and processing power will be all from there. And using Waze from Apple CarPlay is actually better experience than having it in the Android Head unit. It's actually faster because the GPS signals, you know, actually gets faster for you. And yeah, I think the downside is that you can't use it for, you know, to watch YouTube and so on. But well, I have the flexibility to take it out, you know, to use the YouTube on my Android Head unit. So that's it, you know. That is the 5 main reasons. If you think that this is beneficial for you, you know, please, you know, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please help me to do so. It's free for you to do that, yeah, but it actually means a lot to me. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.